So this is my father, and he has a dream of building a home, and I found his plan in his cupboard. So I'm going to surprise him by making his dream home as a 3D model. Stay till the end for his reaction. So I started making the floor plan on AutoCAD 2D. And this is the time lapse of it. And this is the finished result. Okay, finally we are making some progress. To model the house, I chose Revit, and it's basically the holy grail for civil engineers. So this is my first time using this software, so it took me a long time to learn this. While making the design, I forgot to save the file, so my laptop crashed and I had to do the whole thing again. Somehow I completed the renders, and here's the finished product. It's safe to say my father really liked the designs. Hopefully I will bring this design to life one day. But I'm broke for now. Maybe a subscriber helped me.